In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to play alone on chess.com, whether you want to practice against bots or literally play both sides of the board by yourself. This is perfect if you're trying to improve your skills, test openings, or just enjoy a solo game without waiting for an opponent. And the best part is, it's super easy to set up. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple chess and tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to chess.com, then log into your account. Once you're on the homepage, look over to the left-hand sidebar. You'll see a menu with options like Play, Puzzles, Learn, and more. To start playing alone against the computer, hover your mouse over the Play option. A menu will pop out. From here, click on Computer, which may also appear as Play Bots depending on your version of the site. Now you'll see a list of bots you can play against. These bots range from beginner-friendly all the way up to very advanced, and some even have unique personalities. Go ahead and select a bot based on your skill level. If you're just starting out, pick an easier bot so you can build confidence. Next, choose your game mode. You'll typically see options like Challenge, Friendly, or Assisted. Challenge is a normal game. Friendly is more relaxed, and Assisted can give you hints while you play. Pick the one that fits your goal. Once everything is set, click the green play button and your game will start instantly. That's it. You're now playing a solo game against a computer opponent. Now, if you want to take it a step further and actually play against yourself, chess.com has a built-in tool for that too. This is great for analyzing positions, practicing strategies, or exploring different outcomes. To do this, go back to the left sidebar and hover over Learn. Then click on Analysis. This opens up the analysis board where you have full control over both sides of the game. If you want to start from a specific position, click on Setup Position. You can place pieces anywhere on the board to recreate real games or test ideas. From here, you can move pieces for both white and black manually. There's no opponent, just you controlling everything. This makes it perfect for deep practice and understanding how different moves affect the game. If switching perspectives gets confusing, just click the flipboard icon. This will rotate the board so you can easily view the position from the other side. And that's it. You now know two powerful ways to play alone on chess.com, either against bots or completely by yourself using the analysis board. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.